presenting the 2010 Acura TL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 440-watt AM/FM 6-disc CD MP3/WMA DTS player, tilt telescopic steering column, Dolby Pro Logic 2 8-speaker audio system, perforated Milano premium leather interior, driver seat mirror memory system, vehicle stability assist with traction control, hill start assist, and steering wheel mounted cruise control. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.